Hi guys, welcome to Duffy BMW. My name is Chris, and today we have here a beautiful BMW X1 finished in black sapphire metallic. So today I will show you some exterior and interior features of this car. So starting off here, this car is an M Sport. You have your M Sport badging here on the side of the vehicle. We have your upgraded diamond cut alloys, which are M Sport as well. To the front here, you can see the iconic BMW kidney grills, as well as the M Sport styling front bumper. You have your adaptive BMW LED headlights. To the side here, the roof trim and window trims are finished in high gloss black. As well as that, you have your rear privacy glass in the passenger doors. To the rear here, this car comes with automatic open and close functionality on the boot. So for your 1 Series, there's 450 liters of usable capacity, and here is the automatic close. So now this is the rear interior. The seats are finished in Alcantara mixed with black leather. We have your ISOFIX child safety support system. Some climate controls in the back with 2 AC vents and 2 charging ports, and some extra storage space on your left hand side and your right hand side passenger doors. We're now in the front driver's seat of the car. Ahead of me we can see your M Sport leather steering wheel. We have your cruise control settings on your left hand side and your media control settings on your right hand side. This steering wheel comes with 2 sport adaptive paddle shifters. And ahead of the steering wheel we have your M Sport speedometer. To the left, here is the main infotainment system. This infotainment system is fully automatic touchscreen and comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Here is your media settings. Here's your navigation. And here is your reverse parking camera and your reverse parking assist. Now as we head down from the main infotainment system, we have your climate control zones here in the middle, the left, and just on the right of the steering wheel. Space to put your phone, 2 cup holder space, your charging ports, gear and your transmission, and there's some extra storage here underneath the gear and transmission, as well as above. This car is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as on our Duffy website itself. All of our BMW approved used cars comes with a standard 2-year warranty. If you guys have any more questions or want to book a test drive, please feel free to call us here at Duffy BMW. My name is Chris. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.